Merry Christmas 2018, Tracy here, and it's Christmas Day, and I am finally able to share my Christmas decor decorations with you. I wanted to get this up earlier this year, but really life just gets in the way, and being a full-time working mama sometimes does not, the schedule gets a little out of whack, especially this time of the year. So I hope that you give me a bit of grace and watch the video and check out what I did to decorate my home for 2018. It also gives me a reminder of what I did in years to come, because I love to look back on home tours and see what I did from years past. I wish you all, you and your family, a very Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, and excited to share what I did to decorate my home this year.
I am the most excited to share my Santa collection with you. I have been a Santa collector since 1993, so I have collected many Santas over the years, and I'm just going to kind of paint around here and just kind of share. I also incorporate pictures of my family on this hutch, and just kind of have them spread around in between my Santas. I have some favorite Santas. And then I have them spread out over here. If I made any of these, I will link in the description below so you can check that out. And then I put a three-tiered tray on this little side table and decorated it with some Santas. This skinny tree, I did have it decorated with ornaments and Santa ornaments because I just love Santa. He's my favorite. I love the way that I decorated my mantle this year. It is this white washed collection is from Hobby Lobby. It is part of the Robert Stanley collection. The figures that has Mary, Joseph, baby Jesus, and the wise men and the shepherd. The angel I did purchase separately. I just love it, and it goes so well together. I added some of those stars, those battery operated stars from Dollar Tree this year, and I think it is the perfect touch for that. The cone trees I got at Hobby Lobby. Those DIY Dollar Tree trees, I do have a video of those on my channel. Those little galvanized houses are new this year. I got those at Michael's. And the little snowflake tin cans with the little Dollar Tree faux candle in there. The tin cans are the little luminaries I got at Walmart. Over here is another side table that I have a three-tiered tray on, and I have my little miniature houses from the Dollar Tree, also with little lights in there. I have a few of the star lights from Dollar Tree. Now this sign is also from this year from the Dollar Tree, and I just doodled him up by making his eyes bigger and using my black Sharpie marker just to enhance all of the features and the wording. It just really brings him to life. Our stocking hangers spell out Noel. Over here I have the Merry Christmas burlap wreath that I created on my channel. This right here, this sled is from 2017. I got that at Walmart. This is my area that I have my black and white buffalo plaid or buffalo check. And I have this wooden 3-tiered tray that I picked up at pickyourplum.com. And I just have it decorated with red trucks. That is my theme. For my second tree, tree number 2, is my farmhouse tree. And I just love the way that it turned out once I got it all done. This kind of was the culprit of, oh my gosh, because I was only planning to have one tree this year, but then I pulled out my entire Santa collection and my grandson wanted to help me, and I pulled out my Santas first, and so he decorated the skinny tree with my Santas, and I could not bear to take that tree apart. So we had to pull out the big tree, and then I didn't have enough ornaments for this tree, so I made some, I purchased some, I made these little bags out of those little gift sacks from Walmart. So it's all good, but this tree kind of was the hold up from doing my home tour this year. Now, panning over here, I have this side table. I have my tall lantern, and I've just kind of made some bows, just some red and black buffalo check bows for each of the candles and each of the little decorations. I kind of went a little simple over here. I just have a trio of trees, just different trees that I've had. The little church came from Dollar Tree. Also, that little snow globe came from Dollar Tree. The Merry Christmas Y'all, as well as this Home for Christmas, came from Dollar General. I have another nativity here. This nativity has been with me for many years. I've just decorated here in one of those metal trays that I got from Hobby Lobby. The sign back there says Rejoice. These candles I never light. I just use those for like just decorations for the table. The lantern, I have just a little angel that someone gave me years ago. And then down here, I do get asked if I post pictures, or this year when I did pictures on my Instagram, I get asked about that. I purchased that at Hobby Lobby back in the fall, first when they were putting out their fall stuff. That Merry Christmas stocking I painted several years ago. On the back of my door, I have our Santa that I painted, and I put garland in it. This is from years ago, and I just personalized it with our names. Over here, I have my red lantern that I got from Walmart this year. And what I like to do is if I have like little tables or cords or empty spaces, I fill them with just little green trees. Over here, Spencer it's my village, but I let him set it up, and I think he does a great job. We purchased these like sheet pavers at Michael's this year, and we chose not to do any faux snow because it gets everywhere, and I was content with that this year. But I love the way that he set it up in all my little village houses. Over here, I have another little side table or hutch, and it is just really cute. I kind of like did some simple trees, little trios of trees. That has 4 in it. I do have a video for those burlap trees. Those are from the dollar stores. look in the description below and I will link to that. And the red truck, my Spencer and my 4-year-old grandson CJ had a great time doing the countdown for the trucks. Some more faux candles. The joy sign I got at a local shop. And the red truck snow globe I picked up at Dollar General first when they were first putting out their Christmas for the season. I just have a tin can and just have it filled with just some Christmas flowers.